This video to our presentation is Stakool Inc. brought to you by BayStreet.ca. Stakool is a bulletin board listed company trading our ticker STKO. Let's get this into a 6-month chart. Chart had a real nice climb from when it began initially trading, peaked out at 22 cents, slipped back down. Right now appears to be holding a very strong support level at a penny. That's a common area of psychological support. As it so happens, the price per share has never closed below that for STKO. Seeing some common things in the indicators that technical traders always look for. It's a real nice positive divergence as the MACD is moving back towards zero. Price per share is coming down. What traders will look for now is for that 12 and 26 EMA to move their way back through zero. That's called breaking the money line. It's a very bullish indication if that happens. ADX is registering a 14. That's a very low reading. Typically when the ADX gets down near that 10 level, I look for a bounce and a reversal. And for the ADX, try and start trending upward and show some true strength to a direction. MFIs have made a sharp move. Right in through here, there was clearly some buying pressure that went on those 3 days. Moved the MFIs very quickly. The longer terms of 14 and 21, they don't snap around as much as the 7 does. Right now, it's starting to see a little bit of upward trends in them. That's something positive to see. Accumulation distribution along that same timeline starting to trend upward. I just look for it to punch through that level, continue to make some higher highs. This is a true bottom play. It's really flattening itself out on that support level. Shaking money flows trending back upward, making a little bit higher lows, moving back towards zero. Similarly with the CCI and the full STO as well, which is now starting to move a little bit more quickly, showing there's some momentum coming into this play. Much like the MACD, I look for the tricks to trend back towards zero, and that's exactly what's going on. RSIs, there's a key point for them to try and break through 50, basically in a sideways trend, as the price per share has just been trickling off a little bit. If they break through 50, that's a bullish indication of momentum. As I mentioned, strong support level at a penny. That's what I'd be looking for to hold. It does pick a little bit more up at 0.08, but the key spot for me is going to be the penny mark. 289,000 shares traded today. It's not terrible liquidity, but I'd look to see a volume surge. This is going to try and bounce its way off this 1 cent mark and blow through some initial resistance right there around 0.14. If it can break through that, I'd look for a little bit more to come in around 2, but not for the resistance to get real heavy until up around 3 cents. Now, obviously, that's a large upside from where it is. I don't look for those sort of things to happen tomorrow. I just try and identify where the different resistance points are. But more importantly, if it starts to make the move upward, can break through the 50-day moving average, flip this parabolic SAR back down to the bottom side, there could be some very bullish things going on with this chart and potentially identifying this as a true bottom for STKO. So as long as this bottom support can stay intact, start to see some upward pressure, it'll curl the moving averages up underneath it. Strength of the trend will continue to move. Potentially the RSIs will break to the upper half, and the chart could begin to make a shift from bearishness into bullishness. Kind of at a make or break point right now, and for that reason I think this is one to throw on radar and look for some upward pressure. As always, this is merely my interpretation of the Stakool chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the BayStreet.ca website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by BayStreet.ca is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.